I'm Shreya Sethia and today we are going to study Social Science Civics chapter number 3 and we are going to start with hard word. So let's start. First is President. The head of Indian Union is the President and in whom all the executive power rests and in whose name it is to be exercised. That is called President. Next is Council of Ministers. Council of Ministers, they advise and aid the real political executive, which they are called Council of Ministers. Next is Union Legislature. Union Legislature is known as Parliament, and this consists of Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha, that is Council of State and uh, House of People. Next is Constituency. Constituencies or constituency. Now, for the purpose of elections, the territory or a state or a country is divided into areas, and these areas are called constituencies. Next is presiding. Presiding. Meaning of this word is to conduct. Next is Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha. As I told you, they are the two different houses, the upper house and the lower house of Lok Sabha, of Parliament, which is also called Sansad in Hindi. Next is impeachment, IMPEACHMENT, impeachment. The meaning of impeachment is the president, or we can say the meaning in terms of our chapter is when a president or a president can be removed only from office only through the constitutional procedure, and that procedure is called impeachment, right? That प्रोसीजर इज कॉल्ड इम्पीचमेंट. अंडर इम्पीचमेंट एक कंप्लीट हमारा पैराग्राफ है, that is 2/3 of majority from both the houses, that we will further discuss in the chapter. So impeachment is a process by which president can be removed or from his position. Next is union executive. Union executive consists of group of people and they take a vital decision, and union executive includes prime minister, council of minister and president. Obligatory, OBLIGATORY, obligatory. Obligatory का मतलब होता है एक obligation that a person has to do that, a kind of commitment or duty. Next is delineated. Delineated का मतलब होता है a kind of और we can say delineated in the constitution, तो उसमें already described है. So delineated का मतलब होता है description, complete description. Next is pardon. Pardon, PARDON, pardon. Pardon means to forgive someone, माफ कर देना. Rebellion, REBELLION, rebellion. Meaning of word rebellion means to revolt or disobey the government, that is called rebellion. Next is president's rule. President's rule, PRESIDENTS, president's rule. It is a situation when president take over the administration of a state, and that is called president's rule. Next is civil service, CIVILSERVICE. Now at present at central level there are three types of all India services, civil services, that is Indian Administrative Service, Indian Police Service and Indian Forest Service, that is IAS, IPS and IFS. This is the one of the most honorable or most, yes, a kind of most honorable civil service. And next is UPSC, Union Public Service Commission. The full form of UPSC is Union Public Service Commission. Now it is a competitive exam which is conducted for the selection of civil servant, and it is one of the most toughest exam for the selection of IAS, IPS and IFS. Now, vote of no confidence. Vote of no confidence. Vote of no confidence is the situation where majority party fails to fulfill its responsibility and the opposition party um, files a vote or can question, or we can say if a minister fails to give a satisfactory answer to the question, the lower house may pass a vote of no confidence against majority party, and in that case the ministers have to resign. So this is called vote of no confidence. Next is national party, NATIONAL, national party. National party is a party which has their sphere of influence is large, or we can say which are in more than 4 states. Their influence, or the party which is in more than 4 states, that is called national party, like Bharatiya Janata Party, Communist Party, Congress, they are national party. Next is religious party, RELIGIOUS, religious party. Religious party is a party or which exercise limited power as their influence is confined to a specific region, एक specific region से belong करती है, जैसे कि अकाली दल और तेलुगु देसान पार्टी etc. They all are religious party.